everybody, this is Chef Dana Cooks, back again with another recipe. Side ponytails back. What's one of everybody's favorite cakes? You got it, red velvet. Today we are going to be making red velvet Oreo cake balls. And this is a no-bake recipe, which is awesome. Save some time, right? We're gonna be using red velvet Oreo cookies. These are awesome, I've made these before. I'm actually making them again for a friend at work for her birthday because she's been begging me all week. Actually, no, all month long, I'm sorry. Hey Lydia! Oreo cookies rolled into balls, dipped into white chocolate, and they are delicious. They're so easy to make, and at the end of this video, my daughter is gonna sample them. Right, Jada?
Right.
Let's get to the recipe, guys, and at the end of the video, hit subscribe. In the top left-hand corner, turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on the recipes every single week. Sometimes I even drop 2 a week. So watch me as I show you how to make these red velvet cake balls.
Good. You definitely want to make these and follow my mom's recipe. Go follow her on Instagram at Chef Dana Cooks. Bye.